So here to our left we have our Unity app that we're going to start, and to the right we have our Polka.js Explorer. So we will start the app in the substrate.net.unity demo repo on the substrate seminar branch, and we're gonna see how we're gonna create a wallet and an account actually and store it in the local storage, file storage. We're going to restore the account, the wallet from the file storage. We're going to connect to our node and transfer balance from Alice to the account and vice versa, and we will also be able to see the account balance. So let's see. So we have to go to the simulator tab or the game tab. If it is the game tab for you, you just have to switch to the simulator tab here, simulator mode, and then you choose the device, a device that you like, and you just start it. So if we press play, we now are on the login screen, the unlock wallet screen, but we want to create actually a wallet. So let's create our wallet. The username, like the wallet name, will be, let's say, our wallet. Gonna give a name, a password. Gonna create it, and now it's stored locally. So let's now give our credentials in order to unlock it. Okay, I'm unlocking it now, and here we have our wallet, the name. We have the balance, which is currently null because we haven't done any transaction. So if I press now on more, I will transfer balance from Alice to our account, and if I press less, I'm going to transfer balance from our newly created account to Alice. Let's start with less. If I press on less, we get a message saying invalid transaction, which is normal since we don't have any balance. So I'm going to press on more, and we see now also the state of the extrinsic in block is now, it's going to change to finalized as soon as the corresponding block is finalized. And here if we go to on the Polka.js Explorer, we will see that actually our account was created because the balance was transferred from Alice, and we can also see the balance that was created. I'm gonna send some more. You see again the transfer from Alice to our account, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer some balance back to Alice. So I'm going to press on less, and we'll see that balance was transferred from our account to Alice. The amounts are at the time being fixed just for this demo, and on the top of the screen you can also see the number of the total number of blocks and the total number of the finalized blocks. So if we want to see a bit what happens in the background, we have to actually we have to go to the asset scripts and open a class which will actually open the solution, the backend code that is being executed, the C# code. So if we go to the code, actually we don't have to get into much details, into a lot of details, but the code is there for you to have a look. Just briefly, we have actually two classes. We have the wallet manager, which is responsible for actually initiating the connection to our node, and also has the two methods: create wallet, which is the one that we saw when we created our wallet, and the load wallet, which takes the names that we gave, in order to retrieve it from the file storage. And then there is the wallet controller. The wallet controller actually is responsible for updating the UI with information regarding the blocks, the finalized the blocks, and also for submitting the extrinsics and updating the balance. So the transfer balance method does what it actually says. We have a sender account and a recipient account and the amount that we would like to send. And this extrinsic has a callback, which, depending on the state, depending on when it's called and the state of the call, it updates the state of the extrinsic respectively. So, as we saw, we have the transfer balance method. Just a sec. Let me minimize it. So we have the transfer balance, and the transfer balance is called two times. One time when we click on the More button, where it transfers balance from Alice to our account, and on the Less button click, it transfers from our account to Alice.